Hey guys, so today we're actually going to be making that a Minecraft keychain with my 3D pen. So first like and subscribe and all that stuff, but anyways, first we have to make the square thing. Just download and print one of the Minecraft logo thing like that, and then just trace it to make a simple little square. This it's not hard actually, but to fill it in it's actually takes a while. So I just use my strategy to just diagonally do that, and then it fills it in pretty good. Now I fill in the entire thing. To do that, you actually just have to do it in a circle motion, because I used to do it like lines. It's kind of hard to explain and it's pretty weird, but it doesn't work. It's not very good. So this part, not this part, this is a lot easier to do and it works a lot better. And I cut off a little corner, so that's why it looks melted kind of, and I just filled that back in. And after multiple tries to spin this thing and make it look good, I finally did it. Now I'm painting this. I painted it green, but I put like this aqua color and it didn't look good. I'm trying this thing too, the color. Oh yeah, this video isn't sponsored by Jansport, but anyways, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.